ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागे व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति 37 इति अभ्यासः। क्त्वा प्रत्यय प्रथमात् वयम् पश्यामः कस्मिन् के प्रत्यये कानि प्रत्ययानि वयम् पश्यामः। प्रथमात् कोऽपि स्मरति वा? निच् अग्रे अग्रे सन् सत्यम्। निष्ठा सत्यम्। अग्रे मतु मतु हाँ हाँ। अविद्यायामन्त्रे वर्तमानाः वर्तमान सत्य शत्रुशानच निज सन निष्ठा शत्रुशानच निष्ठा तकतु शत्रुशानच तुमुन। And side we have also seen matu and cha pratyaya. Cha have we seen? We have not seen. We will see that. Cha, chui pratyaya. These are all important pratyayas. Even last week twice cha pratyaya has come in Vedanta, I think. Twice I remember. Cha pratyaya. So these are all important pratyayas as well. But at least we will finish today's first. Now we are seeing tva pratyaya. Pratamaha. प्रथम उदाहरण वाक्य सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु किमस्ति? विद्यालय जाता है सत्यम बहु सम्यक। रामः एक ही कर्ता कर्ता इज ओनली वन दैट इज व्हाई इट इज समान कर्ता। So it is samana kartrikayoho purvakale. That is the sutra, right? For tva pratyaya 3-4-21 samana kartrikayoho. There is only one karta. But purvakale snatva patitva likitva, that is purvakala. Purvakale kim karti karoti gacchati vidyalaya gacchati. In that way. द्वितीय आभाजी कृपया वदतु। कृष्णः और शंकरः जो भी है। हाँ।
मित्रं दृष्ट्वा तं प्रश्नं पृष्ट्वा स्वयं च किंचित् उक्त्वा लिखति।
हाँ।
कृष्ण आसन पर बैठा है
बैठ के हाँ बैठकर
कृष्ण स्थित्वा बैठकर कृष्ण आसन पर बैठकर मित्र को देखता है।
देखकर नहीं मित्र को देखकर हाँ
करेक्ट मित्र को देखकर तम प्रश्नं पृष्ट्वा तम यानी तुमसे प्रश्न पूछता है।
उसको प्रश्न पूछकर
स्वयं च किंचित उक्त्वा लिखति। फिर स्वयं कुछ कहकर लिखता है।
बहु सम्यक सत्यम करेक्ट। whatever he has done all this, ये बैठकर देखकर पूछकर वदति मतलब उक्त्वा लिखति बोलकर लिखता है। शिष्यः आसने शेते शेतां शयिते आशेत अशेत shaishyate. There is nothing here. All 5 lakaras there again. Asane shete. Shete lat. Shetam vidiling. Shetam lot. Shaita vidiling. Asheta lang. Shaishyate lrit. 5 are done. कृष्ण स्नान करके पुस्तक पढ़कर लिखकर whatever. सुंदर जी ओनली दिस मच, स्नान करके एंड पाठशाला जाता है. हाँ.
पुस्तकं पठित्वा पाठशालां गच्छति.
सत्यं. स्नात्वा पुस्तकं पठित्वा लेखं लिखित्वा पाठं स्मरित्वा स्मृत्वा स्मरित्वा we have to check. So there is a quick way of checking. So this also we can see today. There is an easy way of checking whether it should be smaritva or smritva. Any guesses how? Which gana you can check, but more than that, something else. You see these 4 shabdas, there is a clue. Bhadi, Parasmaipadi, Akarmaka, Anit. So you said Gana is okay, but there is a better way. Anit. If Anit is there, then it will be Tishtva. There is no Ikara. So now you have to see Smaradhatu. Remember. Recall. Smridhatu you can type. This first one. So Smridhatu they say Anit. So it will be Smaran, okay. But Tva
Smaratva.
But if you said Smaratva, Akara is there. That is eat. Idagama. Swara is there. Drishdhatu is Drishtva. So Smridhatu will be Smritva. So here you see in the end, Tva will be Smritva. Correct. Yes. So if it were Smaritva, that would be big. If this Smridhatu is Set Agama. Set Dhatu. But it is not. It is Anit. So it is Smritva. Satyam, Bahu Samyak.
We had a word
in
the text where I think it was smarayati. So to make somebody remember.
Correct. So there it will be Smarayitva.
Smarayatva.
Having made someone remember, in that way you can say. Smarayitva Nyapayati. Smarayitva. That is Nich Pratyaya and then Tva Pratyaya. 2 Pratyayas are there. Nich and Tva. So all this bhojan karke, bhojanam bhuktva, pratidinam पाठशालां गच्छति. राजा की सेना नहीं, ये मैं बताऊंगा, ये ज़्यादा not so challenging. राजा की सेना, राज्ञः चमू.
The word Nikam, right, in this?
Nikam?
I think they gave us something like that. Anikam.
For what?
सेना के लिए one of the Chamu.
Chamu.
That was. I remember भगवत गीता का एक शब्द दिया था.
वही है ना चमू.
हाँ चमू. अनीकम भी आता है ना भगवत गीता में. That's how I had mapped it.
Anikam?
Is it not a शब्द for सेना?
Not to my knowledge. Anikam. Where in Bhagavad Gita does this come?
पहले अध्याय में जो है, वह दुर्योधन ने सही सबकी सेना देखो.
हाँ.
है.
इसमें है क्या? श्रीमद् भगवद गीता. We'll see.
पांडवानीकम.
अच्छा, दृष्ट्वा तुम पांडवानीकम. हाँ. व्यूढ़ो दुर्योधनस्तदा, है ना? अच्छा नहीं.
Both shabdas we have in this.
हाँ. दृष्ट्वा is beginning itself 1.2 गीता 1.2 ना, this one. दृष्ट्वा तो पांडवा अनीकम. हाँ. You can say अनीकम. Correct. सत्यम. I totally forgot this. Yes. दृष्ट्वा तो पांडवा अनीकम is first, second chapter, second shloka, and third shloka is Pashyitam Panduputra Acharya Mahatim Chamum. Here they are again Chamu. You can say Anitam, Anikam. Satyam, Bahu Samyak. Anikam. Rajnyaha Anikam, you can say. Or you say Rajnyaha or Anikaha, it will be, right? Pandavanikam Drishtva. So it will be Anikaha. Because it is Dvitiya Vibhakti. So I think it will be Anika. Anyway, Anika Chamuhu, whatever. Ragnya Chamuhu, Shatrun Jitva, Tamscha Bhadva, Ragnyaha Samipe, Ragnyaha Nikasha, Anayati. There are better sentences, so I didn't ask.
Would we say Anitva? Anayati.
Anayati.
Past Rati.
Kadasi, last dhatu will be
Will be Kriya Dhatu.
yes. Tritiya, Abhaji कृपया वदतु तृतीय किम sorry Abhaji चतुर्थ वदतु कृपया. This is better.
ओके. गुरु सत्य बोलकर सत्यम वदित्वा
सत्यम उक्त्वा
and it be guruhu, is it?
गुरुः सत्यम उक्त्वा
धर्मं कृत्वा यज्ञं.
Today you only said, right? Today in mantra what was there?
I didn't say the mantra, but it had
No, but that word, that same form it will take.
yaj dhatu, no?
Yaj dhatu is there, and then it became one shabda. EJ.
I know. Ishta.
So here it will be
या इज्जम कृत्वा या इष्टम कृत्वा.
इष्ट्वा.
इष्ट करके इष्ट्वा दुग्धम पीत्वा च छात्रों को. yesterday we saw छात्रों को.
छात्राः is prathama vibhakti. You have to say dvitiya vibhakti.
छात्रान.
सत्यम बहु सम्यक. छात्रान.
छात्रान. Then where is the okay को पढ़कर छात्रों को पढ़कर जीवन बताता है. Okay, छात्रान पठित्वा.
One second. So smrid dhatu we saw, right? To remember. Recall is smritva. To make someone remember is
पढ़ाकर. Oh, that iyat वाला जो फॉर्म होता है. पठियत.
पाठयित्वा.
Alright.
Paatayitva. Which pratyaya this is? Which pratyaya? नहीं, उसके पहले. Before पाठयित्वा, त्वा प्रत्यय is correct, but there is one more pratyaya. Pata will become पाठय. कैसे?
दीर्घ हुआ ना.
To make someone प्रेरणार्थक प्रत्यय. निज प्रत्यय. निच सत्यम. गुड. So पाठयित्वा जीवनम.
बताता है
नहीं, बिताता है. बिताता.
That's how he spends his life.
Or
that he does to earn.
जीवन बिताता है. Spends. यापयति. Spends time. वैसे है ना. Spends time. May passes time or something. They had given some weird.
But after we do all this Pathayati and all that, Padaka, can we just say Jivanam Bhavati?
जीवनम यापयति.
Translation is yapayati. That is correct. Pitata will be yapayati, but जीवनम bhavati, I don't. We cannot say. But वो जीवनम भवति will be तस्य जीवनम भवति. ऐसे इतिवत. That way you have to say something.
जीवनम भवति मतलब जीवन ऐसा हो रहा है. But it is actually, this is what he is doing. It's not just happening.
Yeah. So his own जीवन he is passing. That is. So you say जीवनम यापयति. Or if you want to say bhavati, अस्य तस्य जीवनम एतादृशं भवति. That way you can say ऐसे है, ऐसे होता है उसका जीवन, तस्य उसका. So षष्ठी will be after added, but then that whole sentence will change because of that.
That will be the passive.
Hey,
Or
passive.
that will be like somebody else narrating how his life is. Here he is himself the karta, right?
Right. No, but there also he will be the karta only. He will be Guravaha, that is all. Guravaha, or not Guravaha, Guroho Jivanam. It will be that way. Shashti Vibhakti you will have to use. Or you say Guruhu Satyam Uktva Dharmam Kritva, whatever. Then Chatram Paditva Cha Chatram Patayati Cha Tasya Jivanam Etadrisha Bhavati. That way you will have to say. But that is complicated. That is so much easier to say. जीवनम यापयति is easy, ना, एक शब्द में होता है full.
Yeah. I spend my life like that.
Yes. So third one we didn't see. We'll see all. No. Before that, Satyam Uktva. Which dhatu is this? Bolkar. कौन सी धातु है?
Sorry, one second.
Vach dhatu.
Correct. Vach dhatu. Sundar ji, what is the question?
No, I am not very clear on the word vyapayati.
Yapayati. Yeah.
Vyapayati.
Yapayati. You see in Dhatu Pata we'll see this. Huh? You can find Yapa dhatu.
For me, this came a little more naturally because Jeevan yapan karta hai. This is very much like this in Hindi.
यापन करता है. Like this you see, या prane. I am going to come back to normal and maybe later I will go back to samprasanam if necessary. Ya prapane, Sundarji. So ya dhatu, this ya dhatu, right? So this will be yapayati because it is, you see, it is adadi, yati, but it will be nijanta rupa here. You see,
We don't come across this yadhatu before. Have we come across yadhatu?
Yes, once we saw a few weeks ago. It was there. I remember it came. I don't remember which abhyasa it came.
I am not able to link this word. So that's
I remember we were talking about passing time. I was having difficulty translating that. That is how I remember. Time pass, we say, right? Like yapayati will just be time pass karta hai, but we don't want to say time pass karta hai. I remember we discussed this and it was difficult for me to translate from Sanskrit to English because literal translation will not work in this case. Like he's doing time pass, not like that. He's
that's
passing.
add to the vocabulary. Thank you, Abhay. I want to know this word.
And Abaji, this thing is correct. What you said, Bolkar. You said Vach dhatu. That is correct. Vach dhatu became Uktva. Why?
Okay, so we discussed this yesterday.
We discussed this today in class also. In Brihadaranyaka also this came.
So it's the reverse of eco-energy.
Okay.
Usme,
What is the name of the karya? That is correct. The reverse of eco-energy is correct.
so what is the question?
Karya. What happens here? Reverse of eco-energy is correct. Not wrong. But what is the reverse of eco-energy? What is it called? Samprasaranam.
Samprasaranam. Yes, correct.
Samprasaranam. And sutra? Sutra is the sutra that Sundarji chanted today.
Oh, Vachaspati.
Vachi swapi yajadinam kiti. So vach dhatu vachi. Vachi will be saptami ekavachanam. Vach will be vachi. Sutra pata. Vachi, this one, you see. Vachi swapi yajadinam. So in vach dhatu, they are saying in all these dhatus, there will be samprasan. So in will be saptami ekavachanam, right? Usme, ye dhatu mein. So vach dhatu mein, that will become vachi. Swap dhatu mein, swapi. And yajadi यजादि नाम, यजादि धातुओं के में, yajadi there are 9, not given here. You see in the Kashika they have given all these 9. Vachi uktaha uktavan, swapi suptaha, yaj ishtaha. So yajadi, yaj starting from yaj, all these vap, vaha, this also will come today. Vaha dhatu will come today. Udva, vas, ve, nye, hui, vad, tuoshchi, all tuoshvi, all these dhatus are all in yajadi. They all get samprasarana. So once in the beginning the sutras are hard, but we see 4-5 times it makes sense. Satyam uktva, satyam abhaji, bahu samyak. Dharmam kritva, yajna karke, ishtva. That is all. The same samprasaranam is happening here also. You see, yajnaha, ishtaha. That is all. Yajadatu will become ishtaha. Yajnam ishtva. Yajnam kritva will be ishtva. Then doodh pikar. Doodh pikar, you have to say dugam pitva. But there is a different sutra here. Pitva, there is a sutra. Yesterday we saw.
Pitva, became pitva. Like dirgha ho gaya.
Correct. Correct. Dirgha hua. Why? How it became dirgha? That is the question. Gumasthagapa jahati sam hali. That is another sutra. 6.4.66. This sutra makes these dhatus. Gu, ma, stha, ga, pa. Pa is there. Pa dhatu has become pitva. That is what this sutra is saying. In all these sutras, dirgha will come. In all these dhatus. So they have given examples. Diyate, dhiyate, dadhiyate, dedhiyate, miyate, memiyate, sthiyate, piyate. All these the examples they have given in Kashika. And the same examples they would have written. Sorry?
घ से क्या होगा यहाँ पे?
Gha will become.
I mean, I'm just looking at trying to see the example for घ.
Dhe. That is in Guma. Gu Adesha, I think it will come. Da and Gha. So when they say Gha, you take Da and Gha both. That is why they have given Dhiyate. So Gha will become Dha. Dhakara. Dhiyate. Da with Gha, when they say Gu, Gu means both the and the. That is Da and Dha dhatu. They have given both, right? In this example only, in our Abhyasa on the book also, Da, Dha both are come. Both are called Gu. So Da will become first Diyate. And Dha will become Dhiyate. But also Dediyate and Dedhiyate. Just how Mi, Ma dhatu will come, Gu, Ma, right? After Gu is Ma. Ma will become miyate. And then stha, sthiyate. Ga, giyate. Pa, piyate. Same thing for twa. Sthitva. But for stha dhatu, for sthitva, there is another sutra. Only for twa pratyaya. This is for all shabdas. Rupas. All the rupa will go this way. But for twa pratyaya, for stha dhatu alone, because going by this, pitva, piyate will be pitva, right? And giyate will be gitva. But stiyate will not be sthitva. It will be sthitva. Hrasva. So there is another sutra for that. That sutra is called Dhyati. Dhyati syati sya stha. Dhyati syati ma stha mitti giti. So this one says in these dhatus, Dhyati, syati, ma, stha. In all these dhatus, it will not be hrasva, it will be dirgha, it will be hrasva. So it will be sthitva. Avasitva, mitva. All these examples they have given. Avasitva, nirditva, the same thing. Sthitaha. This is Lagu. Lagu does not have this sutra. This is only in Siddhanta Kaumudi. So if we studied Lagu Siddhanta Kaumudi, we won't see this sutra. But it is an important sutra, regardless. Sthitva, mitva, all these are sitva, ditva, in that way. So first 6.4.66, dirgha happened. Padhatu, papitva. But their stha is included in the sutra. But for tva pratyaya, the stha will not be sthitva, it will be sthitva. That is through 7.4.40. Then this one you have to see. Bahu, vaduhu, karmam kritva or karyam kritva, bhojayitva, bhojanam paktva. हाँ, now we will find one more interesting. सास को खिलाकर स्वयं खाती है. So प्रथमः सास, सासम, श्वश्रूम खादयित्वा, भोजयित्वा स्वयं खादति. Now I have a question.
So, खादयित्वा will come. So, therefore, so सास को सास के that will be सास के खाने के बाद. No, this is like खिलाकर. So, would we use the sevate kind of dhatu here, or would we try?
You will use nich pratyaya because khaditva will be after eating. But here I want to use nich pratyaya and say khadayitva.
Making hurry.
हाँ, or bhuktva you can use. Bhojan dhatu is already coming, right? So we can use that. Bhuktva you will say. Bhuktva means having eaten, but having made her eat, which means bhojayitva. Nich pratyaya. First nich, then tva. Both. Bhojan, bhojayitva. Shashrum. Khadayitva. Same. Khadayitva, bhojayitva. So here I have a question. Pakakar, which dhatu?
Sorry,
Pakakar. Pakakar, which dhatu? Which one? So pratyaya is correct. Dhatu? Pach. And when we say in Sanskrit, it will be bhojanam paktva. How the cha became? हाँ, pach dhatu became paktva. हाँ, choho kuhu. Choho kuhu, that sutra. So you see, all the sutras we are seeing today are important sutras. That is why everything we are seeing one by one. Huh? Starting from that samana kartrikayoho purvakale for tva pratyaya. Then for that bandhkar, badhva, we had seen, right? Badhva, acha, we didn't see. Did we see badhva? Which sutra? We didn't see. We will come to that. But here, for example, this bandhkar, we have to see this. Why it became badhva and not bandhva? That we will see. But before that, bhojana pakakar. Chakara became kakara through choho kuhu. Choho kuhu is sutra number 8 to 30. In some dhatus, the chakara will become kakara. Examples they have given. Suyug dhatu. Suyuj. Vach dhatu. Vach will become vag. Vacho viglapanam hitat. In Brihadaranyaka, I think there is a line. Or vach. In Kenopanishad, vachas shrotrasya shrotram manaso mano yad vachoha vacham vachaha. Vach is the indriya actually, but because of choho kuhu, it will become vak. Vakbyam. That cha became ka. Why? Because of choho. This is what choho kuhu wants to say. So pak also, there again you see, pach will become pak. How? Choho kuhu. Vrij will become vrik. So I'll say vrikte, etc. So this is an important sutra. Choho kuhu. Then satyam uktva. Guru satyam uktva. There samprasaranam is happening of vachadhatu. Since it is vachadhatu, we say sutra is vachi swapi ajadinam kiti. So that is one sutra. 3 sutras important. Then yajna karke, same vachi swapi only, that but will be ishtva. Then this one we didn't see. So Raja, now we will see this other one, important one also. Raja chamu. So badhva it is, not bandhva. But it is, which dhatu is it? Bandhkar. Bandha. जैसे बंधनम, राइट, वी से अविद्या बंधनम. or whatever. Samsara bandhanam, we say, right? Bandhanam. But when it comes to twa pratyaya, it will not be bandhitva or bandhva, etc. That nakara will get lopa. This we saw in one of the recent abhyasas, but it is an important sutra. Aniditam. This sutra. Aniditam hala upadhaya niti. They must have given the example here itself. If not, we can take. They have not given. But you see, there are similar. Like they have given month. Manthana example. Month plus twa will become mathitva. Nakara lopa. Nakara goes away. Aniditam halaupadaya niti. This is the fourth important sutra from today. Most of this we saw yesterday also. Then there will be more. There are more.
Some examples here of Gatva, Ratva, Yatva, Matva,
Correct. Correct. So why gam dhatu became gatva, etc. Right? You mean?
So Gatva will become Gatva.
Gam dhatu will become gatva. Sorry, there is one more. Fifth important sutra of today.
Nam will become natva.
Nam will become natva. Satyam. Why? Which sutra? Through which sutra all that happens? Gam gatva, ram ratva.
The ma is disappearing.
Why? It's a difficult sutra. And now I have not heard it be quoted a lot. But that doesn't mean it is not important. I have not heard it. It may be important. This is the sutra. Anudatopadesha vanati tano tyadina anunasika lopo jhalingiti. Because of this, you see, they have given here, gam will become gatau. Nam, natau, an, atau. Bhagavan also says, right? Hato va prapsyasi swargam jitva va mokshyase mahim. In second chapter to Arjuna, when he tells Arjuna to fight, he says, if you win, that is, if you win, you get swarga. And if you die, you get hato va prapsyasi swargam jitva va mokshyase mahim. That is, if you win, if you lose, you get swarga. And if you win, you get the whole kingdom. What do you have to lose? So there, that hato, handhatu hata. That is what here also, that same dhatu is working there. It's the same sutra is saying, anudato padesha vanati tanotyadina anunasika lopo jalingit. So if you like, you can take it, 6.437. Then there was one more important sutra. So 5 are done, there is a sixth one. Pa dhatu became pitva. Pa became pitva, dirgha. Why? Which sutra? Ghumastagapa. This pa became pitva. Ghumastagapa jahati samhali. But then sthadatu is here. Sthadatu is right in the middle. Ghumasta. Ghu means da and dha. Both are called ghu. So they both, and then ma, stha, ga. But stha dhatu is here, and when you do tva pratyaya, stha dhatu will not be stitva, it will be stitva. That is through another sutra. Dhyati syati mastha mittikiti. So these are all the sutras we saw yesterday. I'm just repeating so that it stays in the head. Dhyati syati mastha mittikiti. This is 7.440. आगे.
Akarshit, you're not recording the classes these days, है ना?
I am. Why
Acha,
not?
I don't see the record.
I have not uploaded.
Go back and
No, I have not uploaded yet. That is true. But I will upload. Because others are listening. Sometimes I just send by WhatsApp or something. But I will upload into the drive so everyone can listen.
I like the Pratyaya classes.
Yes.
Go through them
Sure.
one by one. And also, when I'm listening to the class, I don't think I can take all the notes of sutra numbers and everything.
Sure.
So I'd like to do that in my own space.
Sure.
Thank you.
I'll upload everything soon. Then Panchama. सांस दान देकर, मंत्र जप कर, गाना गाकर, अधर्म को छोड़कर, सत्य को जानकर सुखपूर्वक रहती है. सांस इज श्वश्रुः, राइट? श्वश्रुः दानम दत्वा. Same as the other sutra, danam will not be damitva or datva or something, datva. Datva, mantram japitva. Why it is not jatva? Why japitva?
Say it होगा ना?
Correct. Wonderful. Exactly. Jap dhatu is set. So it will become japitva. If it were anit, it will be jatva, but it is not anit, it is set. So japit. Gana gitva. Gakar, gitva will be same as P. Gumastha ga pa jahati sam hali. There also ga is there. Gumastha ga. Ga dhatu. That ga will also be gi. That is what the sutra says. Like pa will be P. Itva. Adharma ko chodkar. Adharmam ऊठवा, you can say. हाँ. Tyaktva. Tyaktva is correct. Tyaktva you can say. You can also say ohak tyage dhatu is there. Hatva. How Bhagavan says, right? Hatva. In 18th chapter, yasya naham krito bhaho buddhir yasya na lipyate. Then हत्वापि स इमान् लोकान् न हन्ति न निबध्यते. दिस इज 1817. हाँ, यस्य नाहं कृतो भावो बुद्धिर्यस्य न लिप्यते हत्वापि स इमान् लोकान् न हन्ति न निबध्यते. दिस हत्वापि, that is karma. यस्य नाहं कृतो भावो, he does not feel he is doing anything. So if he gives it up also, he will not get bound. Hanti. Hatvapi. Hatva. That ohak tyage, this dhatu is called. धातु पाठ में हाँ त्यागे विल हन धातु इट इज सॉरी ओहाक त्यागे हत्वा हन धातु ओहाक दिस वन. So it will be, here we are seeing in nijante we should not see kartari. So kartari jahati and kridante tva pratyaya, you see hitva, sorry hitva. So this hitva will come here as, so you can use hitva also here, but like you said, the good shabda is tyaktva, having given up. अधर्मम त्यक्त्वा सत्य को जानकर किं भवति ज्ञात्वा सो त्यक्त्वा ज्ञात्वा सुखपूर्व.
जैसे हमारे बुद्धि में आता है वैसा वाला भी शब्द हो सकता है
बुद्धि
जिसका हमें बोध हुआ है.
हाँ, it's a good question. Bodh dhatu, if you want to take, I think you should be able to take Bodh dhatu, wisdom, in that artha will come. This, to know, to understand, this one, Pratamaha. So here you can go to Kridanta, right? Kridante mein, tva pratyay, you see, buddhitva or bodhitva. You can say. Both are correct. Wonderful. Such a nice guess. Such a nice word. Bodhitva. So, bodhitva. Satyam bodhitva. Sukhena jivati. Sukhapurvak रहती है. Sukhena jivati. बालक रोकर. बालक रुदित्वा. भूमि कोदकर. भूमिम खनित्वा. खन धातु. हाँ. और डंडा लेकर. नहीं. लेकर.
दंड देना होगा ना.
हाँ.
This is to लकड़ी लेकर.
नीयते. नीत्वा. न नम नी धातु इससे आनय बोलते हैं ना हम, टू ब्रिंग.
आनंद श्लोकास में आई थिंक आई हैड आस्क्ड यू, उसके कर में वो है डंडा है.
हाँ वो
है ना. पाणी.
हाँ.
एक
पाणौ ना, तोत्र वेत्रैक पाणये. एक पाण
उसमें ये.
यस, यू कैन से तोत्रम वेत्रम whatever नीयते नीत्वा. Yes, instead of danda we can use that. Yes, correct.
Sorry, a slightly amusing story.
हाँ.
When was looking at Shwashu who did all this, etc. I worked on a few words and obviously skipped a line because after that it said, Ganga leke bhagti hai. Then I kept wondering कि after doing all this, why would she run with the stick? Then I realized that I had skipped a line. Because the Ganga leke bhagna was right.
Right.
But okay, also, the Rehati hai, will we use the Yapayati also here also you can use?
You can, maybe you can. Yeah. Sukhena yapayati, but that way you'll be passing time with happiness. You can use, yes, why not? Sukhena yapayati is okay. But Sukhena jivati is better. Jivan, jeev dhatu, when we can use, you say jivati. She is living this way. Rehti hai. Bitati hai will be, bitata hai will be, bitati hai. That will be yapayati. But it is not wrong as such. It's just a little inaccurate. Bhrityaha only it will be, or you can use this one dhatu, dasaha. हाँ, दास नदीं पार करके किम भवति?
क्रॉस करना,
तीर्त्वा. गुड. तीर्त्वा, नदीं तीर्त्वा, भारम ऊढ्वा. ढोकर, ढोकर विच धातु? नहीं. They have given
उड़वा दिया है उन्होंने शब्द.
कहाँ दिया?
which अध्याय है? 37 ना?
हाँ.
या उसके जो नियम है ना?
दिया क्या? ऊढ्वा?
Yes, उड़वा दिया है.
Which?
उड़्वा, उड़वा, उदित्वा. So if we go to नियम 135, नियम 135.
नंबर?
उसका
अच्छा.
5th नंबर.
5. हाँ. दीर्घ र को ईर हो जाता है. हाँ. वाई दीर्घ र को ईर और whatever. तीर्थवा, that way, right? You are saying. अच्छा, sorry जी. 135 number 5 you said.
हाँ जी. So नियम
PDF में है क्या वैसे?
नियम 135, not page. अध्याय 37, अभ्यास 37 के ऊपर जो थियरी पार्ट है उसमें scroll a little bit above.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे
Yes.
उक्त्वा सुक्त्वा इष्टा.
क्या है ना उन्होंने?
Correct. ऊढ्वा. But which dhatu is it? It is not od dhatu. Urdhva is correct. There is nothing wrong with urdhva, but it is not od dhatu. Which dhatu? You see the whole, all the words, right? What is happening here?
So the verb vach hai na, vach has become uktva.
So urdhva अगर होना है तो वाह धातु.
वहन करना वाला.
हाँ, मतलब भारम लेने जाने का. वह धातु.
भार का वहन करना. It's basically bearing.
This one, you see, this dhatu. To haul, to drag. बहना, झरना, ढोना यही है ना. ढो ले जाना यही है ऊढ्वा, वह धातु. So verb will become u through which कार्य? आभाजी. नहीं, वो सूत्र है. कार्य छोहो कुहु will make ch to k. Here this is ver to u. This is called samprasarana. हाँ, this is samprasarana.
I need recordings. I need to take notes. I'm only listening and not writing anything.
But you are catching it, right? Like ver has become u. जैसे opposite of eco-energy sutra. Same thing. Ver u. Urdhva. हाँ, good catch. Correct. Urdhva only it is. But vah dhatu, not urdhva, vah dhatu. बहुत सम्यक. हाँ, so this 8 राम में number 8. So this I'll do quickly. It is not of a great relevance, but we can see. राम ने वन में, रामः वने, एकम व्याघ्रम, द्वे ऋछे और द्वौ ऋछौ, ऋचः is पुल्लिंग. So द्वौ ऋछौ, त्रीन शूकरान, चतुरः भेड़िया को क्या है? वृकाः. Then वृकाम, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज देखा ना, ये सब को देखे, तो वृकाम. एंड गीदड़, पंच श्रृगालान, हाँ, छह मृगान, हाँ, षड मृगान षड मृगांश्च देखे. देखे क्योंकि बुक में देखे, अच्छा देखे ही दिया है. देखे विल बी विच लकार है फर्स्टली.
Past tense.
हाँ, तो पास्ट टेंस मीन्स, हाँ, सो हाउ यू कैन से अपश्यत,
Correct.
or you can use pratyaya, tavatu pratyaya, which are for nishta pratyaya is for past tense. So you can say drishtaha or drishtavan, क्योंकि रामः लिखा है ना, तो रामः दृष्टवान. इन दैट. नाम नगर में, नगर में, नगरे, बहुत से घोड़े, बहुत से घोड़े, बहुनी और बहवः, बहु, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ दीज आर, हाँ, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ दीज आर पुल्लिंग है, राइट. अश्व एंड ऑल इज पुल्लिंग है. सो बहवः अश्वाः, भेल, ऋषभाः, उष्ट्राः, भैंसे, भैंसे क्या है, महिष, हाँ, महिषाः. देन ऋषभा, भेल, भैंस विल बी महिषा. देन कुत्ता, कुकुराः, हाँ, अथवा yesterday you said, हाँ, श्वनाः, you can say.
Yeah.
बिल्ली.
And then the name in the class also. स्वामी जी के उसमें भी एक बार अभी आजकल में आया था this word.
अच्छा, हाँ हाँ हाँ, कहीं पे आ गया होगा. नेक्स्ट वीक, टुमारो मे बी इट विल कम अनदर टाइम. इट विल कम. सो बिल्ली, बिल्ली मार जा रहा. तथा गधे, गधे रहते हैं, गर्दभाः. I have a question here actually. I don't know if you have an answer. In our Upakarma and all Tarpana, when we do Deva Tarpana, Rishi Tarpana, I have heard this word Gardabhi Mukaha as the name of the Rishi. I want to know, I am curious whether it is linked to donkey, because now we saw in Brihadaranyaka that
like Hayagriva.
हाँ. Yes, like not in the Hayagriva of course is there, but now we have seen in this Brihadaranyaka that Dadyang Atarana Rishi took the horse that those two people was to Ashwini Kumaras. They put Ashwa, higher head on higher Shira and all that. So I wonder if Gardabhi Mukha means of course donkey face. So has there been some Rishi like that? I was curious. I don't know if anyone has an answer.
किसी पे क्रोध आ गया तो श्राप दे दिया एंड ऐसे कर दिया, उसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ब्रदरहुड में भी था ना.
That was in Shiva Purana, right?
हाँ,
शिव पुराण में आता है ना, दक्ष याग, दक्ष को आज,
अजय का.
हाँ.
गणपति का भी वैसा ही है.
ऑफ कोर्स गणपति का, करेक्ट, गणपति का भी वैसे ही है.
just sounds कि हम ऐसे किसी को
Maybe.
नहीं सोच सकते हैं कि that is why it sounds a bit off.
But maybe it is like that. Hayagriva, Ganapati, of course, they all have animal heads. That's true. Maybe it is something like that. But I don't know the history behind it.
No, I had not heard of this Gardabha Mukha.
Gardabhi Mukha, it comes, we chant now in Upakarma and all, it comes like the Tarpana, Rishi Tarpana, etc. Gardabhi Mukha, I've heard. Must be something like this. Astu, anyway. Mat haso mat ro, vivad mat karo. They have given alam shabda. Alam hasitva, alam ruditva. Hasitena. हाँ, so विवाद के लिए विवादेन you can use, like alam hasitena, alam roditena we saw earlier itself. Earlier in one abhyasa we had seen alam hasitena, alam roditena. I don't remember which abhyasa, 10 or 11 or something like that. So the same way you can say there said alam vivadena. So विवाद करने का alam vivadam कृत्वा, you can say, like how we are saying alam hasitva. ये से आलम विवाद है. कुत्ता आंख से खाना है. So why anyway, कुकुरहा नेत्रेण बधिरः. नेत्रेण or how in Chandogya Upanishad 8th chapter that Prajapati Indra's guru tells Indra, you go and see the reflection, and of course for that story the Asura king Virochana Virochana is also there. So they go and tell, the guru tells them, go see the reflection in your eye, that person in the eye. There they have used one other word for eye. Remember? Smarativa? Akshi Purusha. Akshi Shad. So Akshau you can say. Or Akshya or Akshau maybe. Akshya Badhiraha maybe we can say. Tritiya you have to use. Or Akshana Badhiraha maybe it will be that way. Something. But Tritiya Ekavachanam you can use for Akshi also. Or Netra or Ankha I don't think you can use. Netra you can use. Chakshu, correct. Chakshu is can use. Nayana also you can use. Ghoda पैर से लंगड़ा है. Ashwaha Pangaha Padena Pangaha. Khanjaha, Satyam. That way also. Khanja also. Then Panguhu I guess. Khanjaha is correct. Pangum Langayate Girim. Yes, exactly. Correct. Pangu. That Pangu you can see. Khargosh स्वभाव से सरल होता है. Kargoshah. Kargosh will be what? Not Kargoshaha. In Sanskrit it is Shashaha. How we say Shashavishana? Shashavishana is not there at all. That horn of Shasha. So Shashaha Prakritya Saralaha Asti. Saralosti. Shashashringa, same. Shringa means horn. Shashashringa or Shashavishana you can say. Both are for horn. Naravishana also you can say. Men also don't. Human being also don't have horns. So Shashavishana, Shashashringa, that Shashaha Prakritya Saralosti. Saralaha Asti, Saralo Asti. Atoro Rapita, the Pratyasut.
Trump has horns.
चतुर्दशा. ये ऐसे कुत्ते से क्या लाभ जो रक्षा न करे. All these memes, they say beware of dog, but the dog is like sitting like that and jumping and dancing. That kind of dog. ऐसे कुत्ते से क्या लाभ? That is?
This is like an equal partner.
Yes. एतादृशेन कुक्कुरेण. Can I say एतेन कुक्कुरेण?
Etena will be this dog. ऐसा dog is, है ना?
Correct. एतेन कुक्कुरेण नास्ति.
We are giving an example. हम एक specific dog के लिए नहीं बोल रहे हैं.
Correct. So it is एतादृशेन. In this way. ऐसे. और इत्थम you can say. So. एतादृशेन कुक्कुरेण किम लाभः? कः लाभः? को लाभः? कहा can become को लाभः? जो रक्षा न करें. यम न रक्ष्यते और यम रक्षाम न कुरुते और न रक्षेत. That is better. That does not do, it cannot do रक्षेत. को लाभः. शीधातु to sleep. वह सोता है. शेते मैं सोता हूँ. अहम शये. सोवे शेताम विधि or lot also you can use. Tu so tvam sheshva मैं सो. shayai will be like, okay, so I have a question here. Uttama purusha ekavachana shayai. Uttama purusha dvivachana. What is it? Ma vidvishavahai. Vidvishavahai. Shavavahai. Shavai, Shavavahai, Shavamahai. How we say Karavavahai, Sahaviryam, Karavavahai. The same way, Shavavahai. I'll repeat Jivachanam. Vasoya, Saha Asheta. है ना? Asheta or Ashet. Which is it? Ashet or Ashet? शी धातु अशेत. अशेत. Then तू सोया, तू अशेताः. अहम अशयी, वह सोएगा. स शयिष्यते. Then तू शयिष्यसे. शयिष्यसे, शयिष्यते, because it is आत्मनेपद. शयिष्यते, शयिष्यते, शयिष्यन्ते, शयिष्यसे, शयिष्येषे, शयिष्येथे, शयिष्यध्वे, शयिष्ये. मैं कहूँगा अहम शयिष्ये, शयिष्यावहे, शयिष्यामः. बन्ध्वा, यजित्वा, वक्त्वा, दुहित्वा. This will be बद्ध्वा. Why? बंध has become बद्ध. Why?
न का लोप हो जाता है.
सूत्र. सूत्र. I forgot what is the sutra. अनिदिताम. नहीं, वो अलग है. गम will become गी. हाँ, that only nakara lopa. Here it is makara, right? Makara lopa is through there makara lopa is through that sutra, that अनुदातोपदेशव नतीतमो त्याददादीनाम अनुनासिको लोपः झलि. That is that sutra. That is for makara lopa. Here it is nakara, bandhava, nakara. For bandhva it is aniditam. That is that sutra. Anidita hala upadaya iti. This one. Iti. The other one is Anudatopadesha, that is that long one. 6-4-37, you see they are together, close to each other. 6-4-37 and 6-4-24 are very close to each other. Similar sutras. Anyway.
So, list at some point in time. So, like we said, we can have a list which is all this, cha to ka, and where there is the shifted letters. Maybe another category could be this lopaha, because there is sa lopaha, and then there is na lopaha, and ma lopaha. So there seems to be a bunch of letters which all get lopaha in some form or the other.
True.
There is a set of lopaha sutras.
Yeah, there are lopa sutras, and there will be more also. We are seeing only a few, but there will be much more actually. But this is a good idea, that letter changing, akshara parinama and lopa, both we can do. Yaj dhatu has become ishtva. Why? Yaj became ishtva. Samprasaranam, vachisvapi yajadinam kiti. Vak will become uktva, vaktva nahi. Vach will become uktva, same, samprasaranam. Duhitva, dugdva. Datva, datva, grahitva, grahitva. Grahitva, here also samprasaranam. Grahitva to grihitva. This is the sutra immediately after vachisvapi. Vachisvapi is 6115. The immediate next sutra is also on samprasaranam. Grahijya vahi vyadi vrashti vichati vishyati prachati bhujjati nam niticha. 6116. This sutra. This sutra is also on samprasaranam. The one right before is vachisvapi. Immediate after, grahijya. This grahijya says grahadhatu will become gruhitva. Same thing. Taritva, tirtva, vahitva, udva. Ga ko bahuvachan. Ga ko bahuvachan. Shi dhatu. So shete, sheyate, sheyate. Shaishye, shaishyavahe, shaishyavahe. In that way. Karavavahai जैसे karavamahai. Shaishyamahai. इन शब्दों के पूरे रूप लिखो. वधु, चमु, तनु. You have to see later. These are all उकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. शी धातु के 10 लकार के पूरे रूप लिखो. You have to see later. त्वा प्रत्यय लगाकर रूप बनाने के नियमों को सोदाहरण लिखो. They have given 4-5 niyamas from this abhyasa, but the main sutra is, what is the main sutra for त्वा प्रत्यय, विधायक सूत्र? समान कर्तृभ्योः, then पूर्वकाले. हाँ, this is an important sutra, very important. Vedantic context also, Srishti Prakranam all Samana Kartrikyoh Purvakali. First he created, then he entered, Paramatma. So, Srishtva, तत् सृष्ट्वा तदेव अनुप्राविशत् in that way. This will become kr, kr with twa pratyaya. किं भविष्यति? कृत्वा. Then gam. Then
one second, not the words. Okay, but is prushtva.
Patitva. Prach is prushtva.
That is prashna पूछना. Patitva. Prushtva नहीं हाँ. Patitva.
लिखित्वा
सेट है ना तो ई आ गया. पठित्वा लिखित्वा. This is खनन करना.
Khanitva.
Khanitva.
There are two forms here. You can also say khatva. That is also allowed for khandatu. Both are correct. Then what?
Khatva. No, Rupawala is also applicable.
Correct. Uktva. Then?
Propitva.
Nai. Samprasaranam. Ver to u. Suptva. Supta Purusha. Supta Purusha is there, right? Suptva.
Ver चला गया और ऊ हो गया.
हाँ,
Suptva.
Suptva. Sorry, I think I made a mistake a couple of classes ago. I said swapitva for something. It is Suptva. Maybe. I don't remember. But I remember maybe. Swapiti is there. That is different. Swapiti is in Chandogya also. Here it is Suptva. Akara will get Samprasaranam. Then Graha. Graha also Samprasaranam. Gruhitva. Gr. जैसे कृ
कृषि वाला हो जाएगा. गृहीत्वा.
गृहीत्वा. हाँ. Then वह.
And गृहीत्वा में he will be दीर्घ.
हाँ, he will be दीर्घ. गृहीत्वा.
Not गृहीत्वा. That is how I have seen the word.
गृहीत्वा, not गृहीत्वा. गृहीत्वा. हाँ. Then वह.
What is the word? Oh, okay. This is urdhva, something like that.
Urdhva.
Urdhva.
Easy way is va always will be u after samprasana. Va to u, ya to e, ra to ri. This is samprasana. Va to u. हाँ, hrasva dirgha will depend on another sutra. But samprasaranam alone will just say va to u, ya to e, ra to ir. That is all. That is samprasana. So graha will become grih in that way. Yaj will become ishtva. Vaha udva. Vach uktva. Drish, drishtva. Prash, prishtva. Ga, gitva. Tr. Tr.
What are these?
Ga will be gitva. Then tirtva. Then kirtva. Kru. Kru is kritva. Da. Datva, dhatva. Kram, bram they have given somewhere, right? Kram, bram they have given in the 6th of 135. Kram, bram, do रूप हो जाता है. So kram will become kramitva or krantva. Bran will become brantva. Bhranti बोलते हैं ना, भ्रांति. That bhranti has come from bram. Bram, bhranti, brantva. Okay. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमोद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. ओम.